Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to find password in your Android phone. So at first open up your Chrome browser and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings. After that go to Google Password Manager. Now from here you can find your all the saved password. If you want to see any password, just open it. Then you have to scan your fingerprint or face lock. You can also use your password. If I tap on use password and then type your current PIN or password, then tap on continue. Now from here you can check your email and password both. If you want to see password, just tap on this eye icon and here it is. From here you can see your saved password. Now if you want to delete any saved password, just tap on delete, then tap on delete again to confirm it, and it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can find password in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.